Windows 10 updating in the background is okay, but forcing you to update while shut down is too much. I agree most of you don't have the time to wait for this unexpected process. In this video, we will learn how to shut down without updating. There are 3 methods to skip update and shutdown. One, using command prompt. We will shut down computer using command prompt. To do it, open command prompt as admin. Type shutdown/p and press enter. This should shut down computer without waiting for update installation. Two, another way to shut down without installing update is to delete the software distribution update folder. The software distribution download folder is the directory used by Windows to store the downloaded updates. You can simply delete all the files and folders there to clear any downloaded updates. Run command prompt as admin. Type following commands to stop Windows Update service. Net stop WUA user V. Press enter. Net stop bits. Press enter. Now navigate to C:/Windows/software distribution and delete all the files and folders. Wait a few minutes and then try to shut down your computer from the Start menu. 3. Using power button. Go to Control Panel and visit Power Options. From the left pane, choose what the power button does. Change the action your computer takes when I press the power button to shut down in both on battery or plugged in case of laptop, and click Save Changes. Now, whenever you press the power button, your computer will shut down immediately, without checking if there are updates to install or not. For your information, FYI, this is different from doing a forced shutdown, which is performed by pressing the power button down for a long time. Alternatively, if you want to install Windows Update later but not this time, you can skip shutdown and put your computer into sleep or hibernate mode. Let me know which method worked for you. If it helped, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.